Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up voicemail on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the phone icon on your home screen. This will open your phone app where all your calling features are managed. Once the app opens, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This is where you can configure all your phone and voicemail preferences to work exactly how you need them to. The Settings menu gives you access to various calling features, but we're specifically focusing on voicemail today. Now scroll through the settings options until you find voicemail and tap on it. This section contains all the controls you need to customize how your voicemail behaves. It's the central hub for managing everything related to your voicemail service on your Pixel. Next, tap on Advanced Settings. This option gives you access to more detailed voicemail configurations that aren't available in the basic menu. It's here that you'll be able to set up the core functionality of your voicemail system. Once you're in advanced settings, you'll see an option that says Set Up. Go ahead and tap on it. This will begin the process of configuring your voicemail number, which is essential for the service to function properly. Now you'll see a field where you need to tap on the voicemail number. Enter your voicemail number here. This is typically provided by your carrier, so if you're unsure what it is, you can contact your mobile provider to get the correct number. After entering the number, tap OK to save it. This step is crucial because it links your phone to your carrier's voicemail system. Now go back to the previous menu. From here, tap on Notifications. This section controls how you're alerted when you receive new voicemail messages, so it's important to configure it properly. Inside the Notifications menu, make sure the Show Notifications option is enabled. This ensures that you'll actually see alerts when someone leaves you a voicemail, so you won't miss any important messages. After confirming that notifications are enabled, go back once more to the main voicemail settings page. Here you'll see an option labeled Visual Voicemail. Visual Voicemail is a feature that allows you to see a list of your voicemail messages and listen to them in any order, rather than having to call in and listen sequentially. Tap the toggle button beside it to turn it on. This makes managing your voicemails much more convenient and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully set up voicemail on your Google Pixel with all the features enabled for the best experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.